truth?
Well, Al Gore published a book called Inconvenient Truth. It has so many errors, so many exaggerations, one doesn't know where to start. Some people have made a hobby out of looking for his errors. I think they cited 35 major errors. There was a court case in England where the judge defined 9 major errors and ruled that the book cannot be used in schools unless at the same time you also provide information that exposes these errors.
Do you think Al Gore is a hypocrite? You know, living in his big house, meanwhile saying preserve energy?
I don't want to throw stones at Al Gore. You know, he's discovered that he can make a very nice living out of global warming and at the same time be very popular. But it has to be pointed out that he doesn't live the sort of life that he recommends for everyone else. His carbon footprint is immense. His house, for example, in Tennessee, uses energy on a scale that corresponds to about 20 times the average. He travels around the world in private jets. You know, I don't blame him for this. He has a lot of money to spend. It's his business of how he spends it. But he should be preaching to us, the rest of us, on how to live.